Everyone, welcome back. So today we will see the special characters in HTML, some extended characters. So let's get started. So we will also see the astrological symbols that we have and their respective decimal codes, like 9800 for Aries, 9801 for Taurus, and going to 9811 for Pisces. And we have decimal codes for emoji as well, like smiling 128512, 128513, laughing 128514, so on. So let's get to the Visual Studio Code. So here we will try for some geometric shapes, like if we want square with horizontal fill, so we can write ampersand hash 9636. Next, if we want square with diagonal cross hatch fill, that is code is 9641. And if we want to some miscellaneous symbol like black telephone, its code is 9742. Now if we want to print umbrella, sorry, need to put hash. Now if we want to print some astrological symbols such as Taurus, so we can go for ampersand hash 9801. And if we want to print some other symbol, (9813). Let's run it. Let me refresh it. So this one I was saying with the rectangular box or the square box with horizontal fill, this one with the square with diagonal cross hatch fill, this is a black telephone, this is the umbrella, this is the astrological symbol that we recently drawn, and this is the king symbol, the symbol for king. So there are many symbols that can be attached or can be embedded to the HTML for normal use. Yeah, that's all in the extended symbols in HTML. Thank you for watching.